Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be going over my Walmart beauty box. I always forget that I have the subscription every time I get it. I think it's like $6 now, but free shipping. So anyways, yeah, you just get a few free sample size, sometimes full size, but usually like sample size stuff. But kind of worth it. It's only 4 times a year. That's why I forget about it. Anyways, my name is Kristen. I'm a lover of colorful makeup and wrestling. So, yes, let us see what's in it. Actually, I already looked inside of it, and the nice thing is there's actually a card now. I don't think that there was ever a card before. I'm trying to open this one-handed. Maybe I should use both hands. So, Walmart Beauty, hashtag walmartbeautybox, and yes, information. Awesome. And then it has just a little bit of 2 ads on the back. So that's really cool. So I got this. Let's go at it. Okay. So the first thing we have is a Cetaphil Sheer Milk sunscreen. Tiny little guy. Now this doesn't give prices for the sizes. It gives prices for the full size. So if you got the full size, it's $14.49. Now of course these are prices at Walmart. And that says suitable for even the most sensitive skin. This lightweight formula protects and hydrates skin without clogging pores. And wow, there's a hair in mine. Okay, that's a little weird. Okay, the next thing we have is Cetaphil Extra Gentle Daily Scrub. So this is a facial cleanser you can use every day for improved texture and a radiant, glowing complexion. The full size is $7.49. But again, little tiny guy. Okay, and the next thing, I already told my husband he can have these. Listerine Ready tabs. Kind of interesting. The packaging is really nice. Make sure nothing gets into those. But the full size, you get 24 tabs and they're $5.97, and that one we have 8. That's kind of cool. It says chewable, fresh breath tablets transform from solid to liquid within seconds, helping fight bad breath for up to 4 hours, anytime, anywhere. And I did read this. You can actually swallow this. That's a little weird. I might probably spit it out, but anyways. Okay, and the next thing I did not get. Okay, so it shows a lot of things. You don't get all the things. I'm sure that's just the variety that can be in there. Okay, so I'm going to show you. This is the John Frieda Frizz Ease Dream Curls. Now, I can't use this. I have super straight hair. So, that will go to someone else that can use it, but this is a conditioner. Interesting. Anyways, it just says the full size is $6.97. It doesn't have any information about it. I'm actually wondering if I was supposed to get the shampoo, the Suave Pink 3-step hair regimen. I'm wondering if I was supposed to get that because it's listed there, but that's fine, I didn't get it. So the next thing I got is a Revlon Color Stay eyeliner. Now that is full size, and that is $7.99 normally. And then I actually got another full size item, and this is Almay Lip Vibes Lipstick. It does say colors will vary. I do have, it's a neutrally shade. I'm not going to open it. Tons of lipsticks already. So, but that says the full size is $7.99, and that is full size. So that's cool. Not bad. I can't complain. I will say though, when I've gotten any sort of hair stuff, it's been for like curly hair. I don't have curly hair, and I'm pretty sure that is not something you can put. I don't think they have like a beauty profile or anything. If they do, it's like not like Ipsy's or anything. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget I upload every single day at 3 p.m. So no need to hit your notifications. I mean, you can if you want, but I upload every single day. So anyways, I will talk to you later. Bye.